Are you looking for a good broker? Today we're putting head-to-head eToro and Plus500. What we want to know is which one is better. We're looking at eToro now. So you can actually interact with a global network of investors and follow their trades to actually learn and improve your own strategies. Also, you can automatically replicate the trades of successful investors. This is perfect if you have limited time or limited experience, or you're trying to learn what somebody else is doing right. You can access stocks, crypto, forex, and ETFs all in one platform, and it is quite a diverse investment option. eToro Academy also offers tutorials, webinars, and other resources to help improve your trading skills. And beyond traditional markets, eToro actually offers direct access to a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. You are also fully regulated across multiple regions, ensuring compliance and security for your investments. That's awesome. One or two of the drawbacks, however, is that while they are commission-free, it actually applies higher spreads on trades, making it costlier for more frequent traders. That is something to look out for. Also, unlike some of its competitors, eToro charges a fixed fee for withdrawals, which can also add up. All right, we're looking at Plus500 now, and Plus500 is really revolutionizing online trading all in all. It is proprietary technology, it offers global reach, and literally is used by millions of traders worldwide. It offers their platform and their services to more than 30 million customers in more than 60 countries. Let's dive a little bit deeper. So it is a proprietary platform. Its agile in-house technology enables rapid updates and a continually evolving trading experience. You can trade on the web, your Windows desktop, iOS, as well as Android, and you are connected to all of the markets all of the time. You get offered thousands of CFDs across forex, indices, commodities, cryptos, plus US futures markets. You also get micro and mini contracts, which allows you to lower your capital when opening major market participation to a broader range of traders. Choosing a broker, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, is like choosing a trading partner that you're going to be working with for a very long time. So make sure that you go out there, do the research, and choose the right one. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.